Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of service management. At its core, service management is all about designing, delivering, managing, and improving the way organizations provide services to their customers. Whether you're in healthcare, hospitality, or any other sector, service management ensures that customer needs are met efficiently and effectively. It's not just about fixing problems as they arise, but about creating a seamless experience that adds value for both the customer and the business. Let's start by exploring the foundational concepts that make service management so essential in modern organizations. Service management is crucial because it bridges the gap between what customers expect and what organizations deliver. In today's competitive landscape, simply offering a product isn't enough. Customers want reliable, consistent, and high-quality service. Effective service management helps organizations meet these expectations, build trust, and foster long-term relationships. It also enables businesses to adapt quickly to changing demands and stay ahead of the competition. By focusing on continuous improvement, service management drives both customer satisfaction and organizational success. Let's look at the core principles that guide service management. These principles provide a framework for delivering value through services. They include customer focus, continual improvement, process orientation, and alignment with organizational goals. By adhering to these principles, organizations can ensure that their services are not only effective but also adaptable to changing needs. Throughout this video, we'll break down each principle and see how they work together to create a robust service management system. Key principle of service management is putting the customer at the center of everything. This means understanding their needs, expectations, and experiences. Organizations must actively listen to feedback and use it to shape their services. By prioritizing customer satisfaction, businesses can build loyalty and differentiate themselves in the market. Remember, a service that doesn't meet customer needs is unlikely to succeed, no matter how well it's managed internally. Service management isn't a one-time effort. It's an ongoing process of evaluating and enhancing services. Continual improvement involves regularly assessing performance, identifying areas for enhancement, and implementing changes. This proactive approach helps organizations stay relevant and competitive. It also encourages a culture of learning and innovation, where teams are always looking for ways to do things better. Another core principle is process orientation. This means viewing service delivery as a series of interconnected processes rather than isolated tasks. By mapping out and optimizing these processes, organizations can ensure consistency, efficiency, and quality. Process orientation also makes it easier to identify bottlenecks or inefficiencies and address them systematically. Ultimately, this leads to smoother operations and better outcomes for both customers and the business. Service management must align with the broader goals of the organization. This ensures that every service supports the company's mission, vision, and strategic objectives. When services are aligned with organizational goals, resources are used more effectively, and teams are motivated by a clear sense of purpose. This alignment also helps prioritize initiatives and measure success in meaningful ways. So what exactly is a service? In service management, a service is a means of delivering value to customers by facilitating outcomes they want to achieve, without the customer having to manage specific costs and risks. Services can be tangible, like a hotel stay, or intangible, like IT support. The key is that services are designed to meet customer needs and deliver value in a way that's convenient and reliable. Services aren't static, they go through a life cycle. This life cycle typically includes stages like service strategy, design, transition, operation, and continual improvement. Each stage has its own objectives and activities, but they all work together to ensure that services are planned, delivered, and enhanced effectively. Understanding the service lifecycle helps organizations manage change and deliver consistent value over time. First stage of the service lifecycle is strategy. Here, organizations define their approach to service management, identify customer needs, and determine how to deliver value. Service strategy involves setting objectives, allocating resources, and making decisions about which services to offer. A clear strategy ensures that services are aligned with business goals and positioned for success in the market. Once the strategy is set, the next step is service design. This stage focuses on creating new services or improving existing ones. Service design covers everything from processes and technology to people and resources. The goal is to ensure that services are reliable, cost-effective, and meet customer expectations. Good design lays the foundation for smooth delivery and long-term success. Service transition is all about moving new or changed services into operation. This stage manages the risks and ensures that services are delivered smoothly. It includes activities like testing, training, and communication with stakeholders. Effective service transition minimizes disruptions and prepares everyone involved for a successful launch. Operation stage is where services are delivered to customers on a day-to-day basis. This involves monitoring performance, resolving issues, and ensuring that service levels are maintained. Service operation is critical because it's where customers experience the value of the service firsthand. Consistent, high-quality operation builds trust and satisfaction. After services are up and running, the focus shifts to continual improvement. This stage involves analyzing performance data, gathering feedback, and making changes to enhance service quality. Continual improvement ensures that services evolve to meet changing customer needs and business goals. It's a cycle of learning, adapting, and growing. Service management involves a variety of roles, from service owners and managers to frontline staff and support teams. Each role has specific responsibilities, but they all work together to deliver value. Clear roles and responsibilities help ensure accountability and smooth collaboration across the organization. Processes and procedures are the backbone of service management. Processes define the sequence of activities needed to deliver a service, while procedures provide detailed instructions for carrying out those activities. Well-defined processes and procedures ensure consistency, efficiency, and quality in service delivery. Policies and standards guide how services are managed and delivered. Policies set the rules and expectations, while standards provide benchmarks for quality and performance. Together, they help organizations maintain compliance, manage risks, and deliver consistent value to customers. Service level agreements, or SLAs, are formal agreements between service providers and customers. They define the expected level of service, including metrics like response times, availability, and performance. SLAs help set clear expectations and provide a basis for measuring success. Key performance indicators, or KPIs, are metrics used to evaluate the effectiveness of service management. KPIs might include customer satisfaction scores, incident resolution times, or service availability rates. By tracking KPIs, organizations can identify strengths, spot areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions. Customer experience is at the heart of service management. It encompasses every interaction a customer has with a service, from initial contact to ongoing support. Positive customer experiences build loyalty, while negative ones can damage reputation. Service management aims to create seamless, satisfying experiences at every touchpoint. The ultimate goal of service management is to create value for customers and the organization. Value is delivered when services help customers achieve their desired outcomes efficiently and effectively. By focusing on value creation, organizations can differentiate themselves and build lasting relationships with their customers. Managing risks is a key part of service management. Risks can include service disruptions, data breaches, or compliance issues. By identifying and mitigating risks, organizations can protect their customers and maintain trust. Effective risk management involves proactive planning, regular assessments, and clear communication. Change is inevitable in any organization. Change management is the process of planning, implementing, and monitoring changes to services. The goal is to minimize disruptions and ensure that changes deliver the intended benefits. Effective change management relies on clear processes, communication, and stakeholder involvement. Incident management deals with unexpected events that disrupt services. The goal is to restore normal operations as quickly as possible and minimize the impact on customers. This involves clear procedures, rapid response, and effective communication. Good incident management helps maintain service quality and customer trust. While incident management focuses on immediate issues, problem management looks at the underlying causes. The aim is to identify root causes and prevent recurring incidents. This proactive approach reduces downtime and improves service reliability over time. Configuration management tracks and manages the components of a service, such as hardware, software, and documentation. By maintaining accurate records, organizations can quickly identify issues, plan changes, and ensure compliance. Configuration management supports efficient service delivery and reduces risks. Knowledge management involves capturing, organizing, and sharing information across the organization. This ensures that teams have access to the knowledge they need to solve problems, make decisions, and improve services. Effective knowledge management reduces duplication, speeds up resolution times, and fosters a culture of learning. Capacity management ensures that services have the resources they need to meet demand. This involves monitoring usage, forecasting future needs, and planning for growth. By managing capacity, organizations can avoid bottlenecks and deliver consistent service quality. Availability management focuses on ensuring that services are accessible when customers need them. This involves designing for reliability, monitoring uptime, and quickly addressing outages. High availability is essential for customer satisfaction and business continuity. Financial management in service management involves budgeting, accounting, and charging for services. The goal is to ensure that services are delivered cost-effectively and that resources are allocated wisely. Financial management supports decision-making and helps demonstrate the value of services to stakeholders. Supplier management deals with relationships between the organization and external vendors. This includes selecting suppliers, negotiating contracts, and monitoring performance. Effective supplier management ensures that external services meet quality standards and support organizational goals. Service catalog is a comprehensive list of all services offered by an organization. It provides detailed information about each service, including descriptions, pricing, and support options. The service catalog helps customers understand what's available and makes it easier to request services. The service desk is the primary point of contact for customers seeking help or support. It handles incidents, service requests, and general inquiries. A well-run service desk improves customer satisfaction by providing timely, effective assistance in keeping customers informed. Many organizations now offer self-service options such as online portals or knowledge bases. These tools empower customers to find answers and resolve issues on their own, reducing the workload on support teams. Self-service options improve efficiency and enhance the customer experience. Automation is transforming service management by streamlining repetitive tasks and improving accuracy. Automated workflows can handle routine requests, monitor systems, and trigger alerts when issues arise. This frees up staff to focus on more complex problems and strategic initiatives. Measuring the success of service management involves tracking key metrics and gathering feedback from customers. This data helps organizations understand what's working, where improvements are needed, and how services are contributing to business goals. Regular measurement supports continuous improvement and accountability. Continuous learning is essential in service management. As technologies and customer expectations evolve, teams must stay up to date with new skills and best practices. Investing in training and professional development helps organizations adapt and maintain high standards of service. Effective communication is the glue that holds service management together. Clear, timely communication ensures that everyone understands their roles, responsibilities, and expectations. It also helps manage customer relationships and resolve issues quickly. Good communication builds trust and supports collaboration. Technology plays a vital role in service management. From automation tools to data analytics platforms, technology helps organizations deliver services more efficiently and effectively. It also enables better monitoring, reporting, and decision-making. Staying current with technology trends is key to maintaining a competitive edge. Service management isn't without its challenges. Common issues include resistance to change, resource constraints, and balancing quality with cost. Overcoming these challenges requires strong leadership, clear processes, and a commitment to continuous improvement. By anticipating obstacles, organizations can develop strategies to address them proactively. Adopting best practices is essential for effective service management. This includes following industry standards, leveraging proven frameworks, and learning from past experiences. Best practices help organizations avoid common pitfalls and achieve consistent, high-quality results. There are several frameworks and standards that guide service management, such as ITIL, ISO 20000, and COBIT. These provide structured approaches for managing services and ensuring quality. Organizations can adapt these frameworks to fit their unique needs and drive continuous improvement. Future of service management is shaped by emerging technologies, changing customer expectations, and new business models. Trends like artificial intelligence, automation, and digital transformation are driving innovation. Organizations that embrace these changes will be better positioned to deliver value and stay ahead of the competition. Let's recap what we've covered. Service management is about delivering value through well-designed, reliable services. It's guided by core principles like customer focus, continual improvement, and process orientation. By adopting best practices, leveraging technology, and focusing on value creation, organizations can achieve lasting success in service management. Service management is a dynamic and evolving field that plays a critical role in organizational success. By understanding its key concepts and principles, you can help your organization deliver better services, satisfy customers, and achieve its goals. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the essentials of service management.